Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 1, our national fruit mango. Let us continue with our introductory video. Our next topic in chapter number 1 is Indian system of numeration. Students, values of the places in the Indian system of numeration are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and so on. The following place value chart can be used to identify in any place in Indian system. Here the place value chart is divided into two parts, periods and places. In the periods, crores, lakhs, thousands and ones are mentioned, and in the places you can see in the crores column tens and ones are mentioned, and in the lakhs column tens and ones are mentioned, in the thousands column tens and ones are mentioned, and in the ones column also 100 tens and ones are mentioned. Means this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. I will explain you this with the help of an example. Students, you can see a number is given 3, 2, 7, 5, 8, 2, 9, and we have to form a place value chart. Here in the ones column we will write 9, and the tens column we will write 2, in the hundreds column we will write 8, in the thousands column we will write 5, in tens thousand we will write 7, in ones lakhs we will write 2, and in tens lakhs we will write 3. Now we will multiply the digits with the place it occupies. We will multiply 9 with 1 as it is in ones column, so 9 ones is 9. We will multiply 2 with tens, so 2 tens will be 20. We will multiply 8 with 100 as it's in hundreds column, so 8 multiplied by 100 is 800. We will multiply 5 with 1000, so the place value of 5 is 5000. We will multiply 7 with 10,000. So the place value of 7 is 70,000, and we will multiply 2 with lakhs, so the place value of 2 is 2 lakh, and we will multiply 3 with 10 lakhs, so the place value of 3 is 10 lakh. So the number so formed will be 32 lakh 75,829. Now the next topic is ascending order. Ascending order is the arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest. I will explain you this with the help of few examples, as we have to keep in mind few rules while arranging the numbers in ascending order. The first rule is, if two numbers have unequal numbers of digits, then the number which has more digits is greater and the number with less digits is a smaller number. Here you can see this number has 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits. This is 1, 2. This number has 2 digits. This has only 1 digit, and this number has 1, 2 and 3 digits. So the number which has less number of digits is smaller. So 7 is the smallest number. So we will write first 7. Then the 2-digit number, that is 34, we will write next, and then 123 we will write, and then we will write 2346. In this way we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now next example for second rule. If two numbers have equal number of digits, then the number with the greater valued digit on the extreme left is greater. Students, here you can see all these numbers are of equal number of digits. That is, there are 3 digits in each number. So we have to find out that the number which is at the extreme left is greater than the number will be of greater value digit. Here we have to find out the smallest number, as we have to arrange it in ascending order. So here you can see the digit at the extreme left here is 2. In this number is 3, and here 4, and here 1. So the smallest number will be 125. So the very first number we will write 125, then we will write 234, then 310, and then 406. Now students, let us move to the next example. Here also you can see that all the numbers have 3 digits in it. But the number at the extreme left is same in all the digits. Here you can see in this number also the first number at the extreme left is 4. In this number also it's 4, and here also it is 4, and in the last number also it is 4. So we have to compare the next number towards the extreme left. Here the next number is 3, in this 6, 1 and 8. So the smallest number will be this one, as 1 is the smallest number. So 412 will be the smallest number. So we will write 412 first, then 437, then 465 and then 489. In this way we will arrange these numbers in the ascending order form, that is from smallest to the largest form. Now the next topic is descending order. Descending order means the arrangement of number from the largest to the smallest. Here also the same rules are applicable which were in ascending order. I will explain you this with the help of few example. Here you can see these all numbers have unequal digits. So the number with the greatest number of digit will be the largest number. Here this number has 2 digits, this number has 4 digits, this number has 3 digits, and this number has only 1 digit. So the number with the greatest digit will be the largest number. So we will write 2456 first, as it is the largest number. Then we will write 243, then 30 and then 8. In this way we will arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Now we move to second example. Here students, you can see in these numbers have same number of digits, that is in each and every number there are 3 digits. So we will look at the number which is towards the extreme left. Here the number towards the extreme left is 3, here 1, here 5 and here 8. So the greatest number is 8. So we will write 864 first, as it is the largest number, then 507, then 364 and then 128. In this way we will arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Now we move to third example. Here students, you can see all the numbers have same number of digits, that is 3, and the number towards the extreme left is also same, that is 8. So we will take the second number towards the extreme left. Here the digit is 4, 0, 1 and 5. So the greatest digit will be 5. So first number we will write is 852, then 847, then 814 and then 806. In this way we will arrange the numbers in descending order. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.